What's up, Animentors? How's everything going? Today, I welcome you all in the explanation of third episode of Akudama Drive. But wait, if any of you haven't watched the second episode of it, then the link would be in the description and in the show card as well. Let's jump to the explanation. As we saw in the previous episode, Black Cat explains the whole plan to everyone. Also reveals that she is going to be paying 1 billion yen for this job. Thus, everyone is eager to know what kind of job is it, and tell them that they have to attack Shinkansen. While she is explaining the plan to all of them, execution division officers invade surprisingly, and a group of Akudama is barely able to escape. Now the third episode starts and we see execution division officers apologizing to their seniors and tell them this kind of situation won't take place again, and senior officer also asks them to do you guys have any idea what they are planning? So in reply, one of the officers says they don't know exactly, but they have got one image of their plan's blueprint. After that, all the Akudama gathers at the safe place and discuss the plan further. But wait, many people after watching the previous episode asking what is Shinkansen? It is a train which moves from Kanto to Kansai, and like in the real train, few coaches are reserved for the supply of goods. In the same way, Shinkansen front carriage is a vault reserved for high level technology goods. Also that the only way Akudama would be able to bypass their security and enter the train, I mean Shinkansen. Now let us get back to the point, which is how. So Black Cat starts explaining the whole thing back from square one. The only way to board the Shinkansen is through Kansai station, where Shinkansen is stopped for 20 minutes at 7 pm. At this point, station security is disabled while goods are loaded. Normally it's run by robots, but people take over to allow for loading, and one of them asks what if we try to attack the Kansai station directly. In reply, Black Cat tells them that there is an electromagnetic barrier blocking the way and there is no way you can bypass it. Once you are able to get safely inside, take the elevator to the Shinkansen's platform. After that, you have to push two buttons at the same time, and both buttons are on a different floor of the station. So they decide to make the three groups. First group, which is consist of cutthroat, hacker and swindler. Second group, which is consist of brawler, hoodlum and doctor. Third group, courier and the Black Cat are waiting outside, so that when group 1 disables the electromagnetic field, they are able to get in directly. Now we are truck in which both group was sitting, and Swindler was the one who is driving it. So Swindler able to fool the guard by her appearance. Thus the moment they enter in the station, both groups divided on both floors. A little surprise is waiting for them is a shield which is made up of unknown technology, which is near to impossible to break. If you wanted to see how they did it, you should watch these small clips. As both of them able to press the button on the same time. Thus they reaches the Shinkansen platform. Hacker was able to cut off the power sources, but he soon realized cutting the power is useless because electromagnetic wave can only be disabled from inside the Shinkansen vault, and the hacker can only put the person whose waist has to be even lesser than his. So Swindler said she can be in, and guess what, plans are successful. Hence Courier was able to get in along with his wife. The moment everyone enters in the Shinkansen, execution or division officers appears, and thus the episode ends. Thank you guys. If you like the video, make sure to press the like button down below, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button as well, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update. This will keep me motivated, also keeps me going. And if you guys wanted to see explanation of any other anime series which you guys wanted to make me, please let us know in the comment box down below.